Morning students, here we are starting lesson 1 of class 7, the portrait of a lady. In this chapter, we will discuss about what the writer wants to tell us about this chapter. So let's begin. The portrait of a lady is a part of autobiography of Khushwant Singh. Here the writer, Khushwant Singh, is telling about his own life story. In this story, the author draws a pen portrait of his grandmother. He beautifully unfolds their relationships and how he undergoes several changes. He is discussing about what the changes are going in his life. In other words, the story is a loving tribute from a grandson to his grandmother. In this chapter, we will find out that how a grandson loves his grandmother. My grandmother likes everybody's grandmother. The writer is saying that all grandmothers which love their elder ones, grandsons, is like the same his grandmother was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. He wants to tell that his grandmother is an old lady and has wrinkled on his face. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even a husband, but that was hard to believe. So people told the writer that his grandmother once also was a young woman and looking beautiful and pretty woman. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. The writer wants to tell that his grandfather's portrait means a photograph is hanging in the wall in drawing room. He wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes. Writer told that his father wears a turban and loose fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest and he looked at least 100 years old. The portrait which writer's grandfather was on the wall looks like a 100-year man. He looked as if he could only have lots of grandchildren. As for my grandmother being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child that seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, as we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us. So, writer wants to tell that his grandmother, as before, she was also a young woman and she used to play with her grandchildren. She used to play games and used to play as a child with them. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent. Now she became old and looking like a short and fat, and she is also slightly bent because she is a old woman. Her face was a crisscross of wrinkles. Now she became old, so her face is also became crisscross, means ada tircha, due to wrinkles on her face. Wrinkles means jhurriyan. Running from everywhere to everywhere. No, we were certain she had always been as we had known her. Old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. So writer wants to tell that she is looking same age from 20 years. There is no change on her body or on her face. Looking same from continuous 20 years like as well. So terribly old that she could not have grown older and had stayed at the same for 20 years. She could never been pretty, but she was always beautiful. Grandmother is looking beautiful to grandson. She hovered about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beads of her rosary. So he wants to tell that she is looking like always beautiful, her waist to balance her stoop and other tellings the beads of her rosary. She has a rosary. Rosary means jap mala. माला दैट ही जो माला वो जपती थी, विच हैज बीड्स मीन्स मनके, उसमें जो माला में मणि होते हैं जो लेडीज लोग जपते हैं, सॉरी बुजुर्ग लोग जपते हैं. हर सिल्वर लॉक्स वेयर स्कैटर्ड अनटाइडली ओवर हर पेल. सिल्वर लॉक्स मीन्स जो सिर पर बालों के गुच्छे हैं. लुकिंग लाइक ए सिल्वर बिकॉज दे बिकेम व्हाइट. अनटाइडली ओवर हर पेल puckered face and her lips constantly moved into inaudible prayer. Yes, she was beautiful. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains. So, writer tells that my grandmother is very beautiful and looking like a landscape. Landscape means bhudrasya in the mountains and expanse of pure white serenity breeding peace and contentment. She is looking like serenity breathing peace and contentment, जो बिल्कुल शांत चित्र के समान दिखाई देती है. She is a very quiet lady. My grandmother and I were good friends. Writer says that his grandmother and he were very good friends. My parents left me with her when they went to live in the city and we were constantly together. They lived very happily with one another. She used to wake me up in the morning and get me ready for school. Writer says that my grandmother wake me up in the morning, early in the morning, for going to school and becoming ready to go to school. She said her morning prayer in a monotonous sing-song while she bathed and dressed me in the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. Every day his grandmother sings a song and want to know that writer also learned that song and sing it. I listened because I loved her voice but never bothered to learn it. Writer says that he listened the song because he loved that song but not bothered to learn it. He does not want to learn it. Then she would force my woolen slate with which she had already washed and plastered with yellow chalk, a tiny earthen ink pot and a red pen tie them all in a bundle and hand it to me. So she, the grandmother of writer, make him ready to go to school, which he want to take with him like ink pot, red pen and other necessary things